sites 1, 2. This would be 3, 4. Little, 5 and 6. Little, but fitting a huge camper still. 7 and 8 are short. Mangrove trail, that's cool. These are all small. Pretty small. Oh, that's a good one back there. 11 and 12 are really good. 11 and 12 have lots of space and water access. 13 and 14, a little bit of water access. 15 and 16 are really short. These are kind of packed in here. They all have a little access to the water, but they're small. It's a really nice camper. Lots of shade here. That would have been 19 and 20. Only a little access to the water, but lots of shade. This is a good spot here. That's a lot of space. 21. 21's really good. 22 would be okay. Lots of space here, but only small little access to the water. 23 and 24, lots of space. 25, 26, lots and lots of space here. These are big sites. 27, 28.
Keep sleeping.
Lots of space. Big open water there. 29 and 30 would be excellent to have together. 29 and 30. Okay. Tiny sites, but you could still fit in, but that's very unlevel. 33 is very little. All right. The good sites are coming up in a minute here with lots of water access, like wide open water. There's a little bridge back there. Walkable bridge, boat ramp. 34, 35, pretty decent. Just tiny little opening in the mangroves though for access, and that's it. 38, 39, they would be okay. 40 and 41 are too short. Okay, so here's a few short ones, and then we're about to get to where the water really opens up. 42, 43 is long enough. 43 is actually pretty big. 44 and 45 are pretty decent. Yeah, those are okay. Okay, here are the good ones. 46 and 47. Look at all that water. 46 and 47. You can swim to that island over there. This would be awesome right here. 48, 49. There are not many tents here. It's all campers. Okay, 50, 51 are good. All of these are good. 52, so much water. Okay, a little bit more mangroves now, but there's 52 and 53. Lots of space. 54 and 55. These are all long enough for any of us. 56 and 57. 58, 59. This is a nice spot here with lots of open access. There's a big little beach right there. Big little beach. Okay, now these are getting tight. 60, 61. You have to turn sideways. These campers are sideways, which is kind of awkward, but it means that they're like looking right at the water. But these are really packed in. Like these are really, really packed in. 62, 63 are no good. 64 and 65 are too small for us. Okay, now they're getting bigger. 65 would be okay, actually. Okay, 66 and 67. Now there's a lot of water, but there's rocks, so that would not be good for the kids. So 66 and 67 and probably 65 all have rocks. Okay, these are good, whatever they are. 68, 69. All right, and now these campers are all sideways again. So you gotta like angle it in, and you're really close to other people. But you have a really good view over all this water, all of these ones. So these are tight, they're packed in. 72, 73. Okay, these are packed in, but the water is right there. And if these people can fit, any of us can fit. 74, 75 is teeny tiny. 76 is like short, but it's really wide, and so they got that big thing in. Okay. And then here's one in the middle. There's some in the middle over there too. The middle ones have sewer, I think. So there are some middle ones. 81 is pretty short. That's a nice little beach. '82 and '83 are pretty good, but there's not really like direct water access. Only tiny little portions of cut to get through the water. Okay, so there's a lot of mangroves here. These are all big enough. So that was like 84, 85, 86, 87. Lots of space, but not a lot of water again. But lots of space. They're getting smaller now. 90, 91. These are okay, just like those first ones were. 90, 91. 92, 93. These people are fitting these big rigs in here. 94, 95, even though there's not really that much space. These are short here. 96, 97, they're pretty, oh, they're okay. 97, we could definitely fit in these if those people are fitting. Less water, unless you get one that's kind of right. There's a little bit of water access. These people just turned sideways, so you don't have to look at them. I don't know how they got that in there. Big bathhouse.
There's little ones throughout the campground. But...
Alright, so that's the big one, but then there are smaller ones too. That looks like new. Okay, where are we at? These are pretty good here. I can't see the numbers. 104, 105. 104 was where the boat was. Okay, now they're getting shorter. 106 is okay. 107 has a little mangrove cut through. These are getting shorter, but we probably still fit. 108, 109 is pretty short. I say short, but we're that size. 110, yeah. 111. And the last one's here, 112 and 113. 113's way too little. Okay, and that's it.
A bunch of interior sites.
Yeah, lots of interior sites. Apparently the interior ones have sewer.